Yeah, hello, good day. I just want to guide on this training on how you can make easy pips with a strategy. A very good strategy that work on phone and also on laptop or desktop. So it's one of our major strategy that have been working very well. You use moving average and and RSI called relative strength index. So let's get this setting. You want to get that done, come here, we'll go to moving average. Let's first get the direction of the market. Getting direction of the market, we use okay, let's first put in the strategy. In the strategy, we'll be using moving average simple 7, which is blue. I put that one now. Then let's add another one. Moving average 2. Moving average simple. You use simple moving average 2. Alright, this one is not okay. Put it 2. Use simple. Close. Then change your make sure they are not the same thing. I hope they are not the same thing. Let me just change this one to red and done. Good, we are having the 2 now. Then the other thing we want to do is to know the direction of the market. So you use moving average. This time around, use exponential 200. 200 will give you direction of the market, so that immediately you know whether the market is up or down. Whether the market is up or down. So that will give you the trend. So set that one up. Set it up. Click done. Good. It has hidden somewhere there. Look at it here. So the market is up already now. So let's now look at, then the next thing we need to add is what we call relative strength index. Where is it? See it, relative strength index. So that one you make sure it is 50. You click that, and it's always 13 and 70. Make sure it's 50. 50. So you just click on that, then you have it done. Ensure that level is 50. So that is that. So we have it here. We have the RSI at the bottom and the other ones at the top. Then how does this strategy work? It works so magical that the standard time frame is 15 and it works with any currency pair. So let's start looking at it. One, there are 3 levels of it. The first level is when 2 crosses 7. If it crosses 7, when 2 crosses 7 upward, the market will go on buy. The next candle, most of the time, about 80-90% of the time, will go to buy. The next candle, which come like what we are having here. Here now, the red, which is 2, crosses blue, which is 7. On this small candle, the next candle to it, say you see it here. The next candle to it, say you see this candle, definitely will go by. Then you can now start trailing it. But the next candle, you can take your buy and close after the next candle. So that one is so sure. We're going to look through many of these things and see what I'm talking about. So that is one. So when it is like that, anytime, either it is uptrend or against trend, most of the time it runs like that. Most of the time. But the best one has always been when you have checked the direction of the market, and the direction is saying, look at this now. This is what it's telling you about the direction. This direction is saying that this, which is exponential 200, moving average exponential 200. If the direction is saying that the market is up and your signal also now say up, then you now also seeing on RSI, crossing that 50 mark here, and it's also saying up, then it's a great, that one will move well. Let me just clear myself very well. The first one is when 2 crosses 7, whether it is up or down, whether it's crossing down and we are at the uptrend, you can take the trade and you will see it go in that direction. That is the first set. That one can run like 70% of the time. Then at every moment, when you are placing a buy and you are the uptrend and you are the uptrend, even if the RSI does not cross upward, you still have a good trade. That one can run to like 80%. But at every moment when you are at the uptrend and the 2 crosses 7 upward and RSI 2 is crossing upward, like what we are having here. See at this junction, is like the market is uptrend already. So it crosses here. As it's crossing here, see that the market is crossing at this place. The next candle, which is this, is up. Then you have a lot of the candle going up. Go through many things, set up this thing and go and look at what I'm talking about. You see, most of the time, you see that when 2 crosses 7, the next candle will definitely go in that direction. Then all other ones can still go. Like now that we're having this one to crossing here, and you find all of them on top of 200 exponential, the market will move far. When those 3 things are set. The market will move far. But if those 3 are not set, you still make your good. Most of the time too, you still see the market moving your direction. Most of the time. Let's see this. At this place now. At this place, look at this. The market crosses there. At this place, the market crosses. Red is crossing blue down. See, the next candle is down. Are you getting it? Now, although this one too make a move small here, but if it doesn't make a move, you see that the market respond to that. Let's see some of other ones. This has been a very good strategy that you can use on your phone and pick pips. You can easily pick like 100 pips a day. Go and be checking. You see that. Look at this one too. Immediately it crosses here. Red crosses blue down. You see that the next one like that just went down because this one to also cross here, making the market to crash down very well. So that is everywhere you see them crossing. Check out, you will see that the market responses to it. Look at this one too. As the market crosses, red crosses this down. See that the next candle and the other one, because this one to also crosses. It's not every time you will see RSI responding to them. It's not every time, but when it responds, the market move well. When you see that after 2 has crossed 7 and RSI to also cross 50, 50 mark, you see that the market responds greatly to that direction. Let's see this one too. As red is crossing blue, you see the next candle is up. See this one too. As the red is crossing, see that the next candle, you just see them responding like that. See this one and this one. This is a very good spot. So you can just be you can just be trying your best to spot it as it goes. Look at this and look at this. So as it crosses down, see as the market crash, go and watch immediately they cross, the next candle will respond to that. Then let me also give us a strategy concerning binary. This strategy also work with binary on 1 minute. On 1 minute, if it crosses like that, the next candle, that means you are going to use one minute expiry. The next candle will see that it will respond to that direction and will be, if it is going sell, the next candle will sell. If it is buy, the next candle will buy, which is very, very good. You can continue to make a lot of money using this strategy on even binary. So you see. So anywhere you are seeing, see this one as it's crossing here, see the next candle is crossed down, the next candle also go down. You will see that RSI doesn't cross here. It doesn't cross. RSI has not crossed, but this one has done. So sometimes RSI might not respond to them, but when it responds, it's a better confirmation for the moves. So let's still look at many other ones. See as this one just crossed like this. See the next candle. You see that RSI here has not crossed anything, but the market, as it touch and go, the market still responds. The next candle and other candle just if you go down more, you will see what, as I've seen this one too, as it crosses here, the next candle is what, and as RSI is crossing 50, you will see that the market crash. See, I've given you, I will have talked about almost 10 situations now that responds. I will not say once in a while one will not prove stubborn, but most of the time, by my research, you will just see that it's really work according to this thing. See this one too. See this one as it happen here, and this one also crosses here. See the market went down. So you can continue to see more and more of them like that. You can continue to see more and more of them like that has responded to this strategy. This is a very good strategy, one of our secret strategy you are privileged to get. It works like anything. You can use it and you see them working like magic. What do you use? You use the moving average 2, simple moving average 2, simple moving average 7, and when they cross themselves, you see the market responding to it all of the time. Most of the time, at least 80%, 90% of the time, you see the market responding to it. So it might not be 100%, but most of the time, you see the market responding to it. When it cross upward, the market move up. When it cross downward, the market move downward. So you can use this on your phone. If you don't want people that doesn't even have laptop or don't use laptop, you can use this on your phone and you see it working greatly. So that is what I have for us. This strategy, there are 3 of them. This is one. There is one that work with, you have the candle pattern, engulfing candle, that work with RSI. Then we also have the one that, stochastic, that also work with, candle pattern. So there are 3 of them. This is one of the major ones. It works like fire. Put it to work, you see it responding. These are just live market that have gone before now, and you see them. All of this one that I have shown, and this is the one that this one now happened when I was preparing for this tutorial. It crosses in my presence, and you see how the market has responded to it. It crosses here in my presence, and the market, it first look as if it want to go down. You will see it here. Look as if it want to go down, then it moves up. So it really responded to this strategy. This strategy work like magic. Put it to work, and you see yourself making good pips every blessed day. Thank you for watching.